I'm going to be showing you how to publish form in Google Forms. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. What you need to do is just open the app. Just go to your app library and search for Forms. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and open it. And after you're here, you should see something like this. And now what you need to do is just select the form you want to publish, or you can just create a new one and we can use that. But I'm going to show you with the form I've already created. Just go ahead and open any one of them. And after you're here, you should see something like this. On the bottom, you have the preview option right here. And you have three-lined option. You have the gear icon. And at the top, you have this header settings with what you want to do with it. You can choose to create an image here, fill color, background. And there you have the three-dot button. And now you can see save form, publish form, and many more. Since you're trying to publish the form, just go ahead and tap on publish form. So it'll tell you right here that you need to have a premium version of the app to publish the form. So it's not possible through iPhone or Android. So you can try doing it in PC where it's free. So there you go. That's how you publish form in Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.